In this section, we are going to see how we can use Dagger 2 with view models. We'll create an application level Dagger component. We will use Dagger modules to provide our retrofit and repo service dependencies. And then we will inject our view model classes with the provided repo service, and that'll allow us to delete the repo API class. This section is not meant to be a full introduction to Dagger. This is simply here to show you how you can use Dagger 2 to inject view models. If you are unfamiliar with Dagger 2 and this piques your interest, I recommend reading up on it more, as it's one of my favorite tools to use when developing. Dagger is a dependency injection framework that makes handling dependency resolution at different layers in your app easier. It may seem daunting at first, but I do suggest you look further into Dagger if you aren't already familiar. There are ways to make Dagger injection more invisible to our application classes, but this requires a far deeper dive into Dagger. Again, this section is simply a quick look at how you can make view models injectable using Dagger, and what you learn here will be fully transferable to a more robust Dagger implementation. With that said, in the next video we will create our first component, and let's get going.